This USX MOUNT full-motion television mount supports a wide range of medium to very large screens while handling substantial weight with a reassuringly solid steel frame. Its dual articulating arms provide generous swivel, tilt, and leveling adjustments, so you can fine-tune the viewing angle and cut down on glare from different seating positions. The design allows the television to extend far from the wall for flexible positioning and then tuck back very close to the surface, helping rooms feel less cluttered. Thoughtful cable management with included fasteners keeps wires bundled neatly along the arms, giving the setup a cleaner and more professional look. Installation is straightforward thanks to clearly labeled hardware, a mounting template, and a built-in level that make aligning the bracket on standard wood studs much easier. Responsive support from the manufacturer, including help checking compatibility with specific television models, adds extra confidence when choosing this mount.